They say you should marry your best friend. Sorry, Steph, I'm already married, but Pat is the next best thing.
As his sister, I had the front row seat to watch their love story blossom. Here were some early signs we noticed. Pat responding to texts immediately. He asked me the top 10 questions how to get to know someone. Then I went away for Australia Day and, well, they just kicked it off from there. Our house quickly became filled with laughter, cooking and love.
Alright, so I first heard of Steph. I heard of the West End date. I talked to Pat. I think he said something like she's a top bird. So I thought that was pretty good.
Because Steph is the most beautiful person in any room that she's in, that she often attracted a lot of attention from the boys. It was one of our usual Saturday nights at the regatta when two young guys, Ben and his friend, saw two beautiful young women, Steph and Maddie, and they came over to have a chat. So fast forward to 2018 and Steph decided to put herself out there and download Tinder. Within no time at all after downloading the app, she was off on her first ever Tinder date. When I asked her how it went, she said, yeah, it was really good, but like it was my first ever Tinder date. It's not like I'm gonna marry the guy. Also, I'm pretty sure his name is Patrick Fitzpatrick.
In early 2018, young Patrick came into Steph's life, and what a whirlwind that was.
Nothing's gonna stop.
We all love Steph. Pat dragged her out to my oldie's house not long after I'd met her, and right in front of Steph, my old man told Pat that he should marry her. Dad, you got that one? You've just built a beautiful home. You've got so many people here to celebrate your amazing wedding. Most importantly, you got Albie, so looks like things are going pretty well. Let's raise a glass to the new couple. Thank you.
Very clear from the moment that these guys met that they were just meant to be together. They were the embodiment of when you know, you know. They complement each other so well. It's actually hard to remember a time before Pat was part of the group. I'm proud of you both and so happy that we're here today celebrating your love. Love you guys so much. Have a good one.
Steph, what we would say to you is this, that we don't know a time that you weren't already family. Seeing our brother in love and becoming the amazing partner, father that he was destined to be brings us nothing but joy. We know there will be arguments and he will test your patience, but there is no one that you could possibly want in your corner of life than our brother. We love you.
The night you came to ask for Steph's hand in marriage, you barely got in the front door and you just blurted it out at us. Well, our beautiful girl Steph growing up now and is the true picture of beauty and elegance today, and we could not be more proud of her now. Pat, you are the most kind and generous person. You are such an amazing support to Steph, and we could not be happier to have you in our lives. This beautiful girl is all yours now. There's no warranty period, and there's no refund or exchange.
Take care.
Make it hard for the next one, yeah.
This is where it all begins.
How you feeling?
A bit nervous now. A bit emotional. Yeah. Game on.
Like right now.
Yeah. Like, don't fuck up, man.
I can be brave. I can stand tall. I can be fearless in the weight of it all. I can move mountains, a power within.
Stephanie, you came into my life when I least expected it, and with you came the beginnings of a family. You and those two crazy furry muppets changed everything from day one, and I wouldn't have it any other way.
Patrick, there is no happier version of me than the one standing in front of you today. When we matched on Tinder, I had no idea I was swiping right on my future husband, the father to our beautiful son Albie, and the most patient man alive.
I'll keep running. I'll keep running.
You met me at a really hard time of my life, and I came as a package deal with my anxious dog George. Instead of running away, you stayed. Through the hard times, my health battles, the long road to our beautiful son, you held my hand, made me laugh, and reminded me of the strength in love.
We'll run. I will run. I will run. I will run.
You've made me a better human, a better man, and a better father. To our three boys, I'm forever grateful for the impact you've had on my life.
I can find courage. I can see strength.
All the highs and lows we've shared in our short time together have built a strong foundation, and I know without a doubt that we'll continue to grow stronger together as wife and husband for the rest of our days. Who's got the ring? Only one that can't get into it.
My eyes are on the sun that's filled with gold. I'll keep running. I'll keep running. I'll keep going on until there's nothing.
Whatever this life brings, I will keep choosing you, always and forever. I can now proudly accept my new job title, your wife.
I'll keep fighting on until I lose my breath.
You know, kiss it
I will run. 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 I will run.
To Steph and all of you, Albie, you got a few words, bud?
I love you, Dad.
Wow, crazy.